Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will review PayPay. We'll explore what makes this mobile payment service so popular across Japan. You'll learn about its core functions, how to get started, and the many places you can use it. We'll also cover its benefits like cashback rewards and help you decide if PayPay is the right cashless solution for your needs. Let's get started. Using PayPay is straightforward. First, download the app and register your Japanese phone number, then create a password. Next, link a payment method like a Japanese bank account or a compatible credit card. You can also add funds with cash at convenience store ATMs. To pay, simply open the app, scan the store's QR code, enter the amount, or let the cashier scan your unique barcode. It's that easy. PayPay offers several compelling advantages. Users frequently receive cashback rewards, often ranging from 0.5% to 2%, and can access valuable monthly coupons for discounts. It's widely accepted at over 4 million locations, including major convenience stores, supermarkets, and restaurants. Plus, you can effortlessly send or receive money from friends and family directly through the app, making splitting bills or sharing expenses incredibly convenient and free of charge. So is PayPay worth it? For residents with a Japanese phone number and bank account, absolutely. It provides a secure, convenient, and rewarding way to manage daily transactions, offering points and coupons that add up. While tourists might find IC cards like Suica easier for short visits, PayPay is an indispensable tool for long-term stays. It truly simplifies cashless living in Japan. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to this recommended book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.